Hello everyone, this is your own Captain Wolf from the channel Globally Mag, and in today's topic we are going to cover how to add a watermark in Word document. So in case if you're wondering how people can add a watermark in their Word document, in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can add a watermark in your Word document with just basic simple steps. So before proceeding further with the video, if this is the first time you have come to the channel Globally Mag, then I would request you to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that whenever we create new videos and tutorials, you get the notification and you keep on learning with us. So let's get started. So here is a Word document. As you can see that there is already a watermark in it. So what is the purpose of watermark? Well, the purposes are many. Some might say that it is their secret recipe of anything and they do not want to share it with someone, or if you want to share it with someone, they want to enter their own watermark in it, or it might be an official document that you do not want other people to copy. So you usually insert a watermark in the background of your document, or in case if it is a draft report, you entered the draft watermark in your document. So the basic step to enter a watermark is very easy. All you need to do is just open your Word document, and from here you go to designs, and from here you just select the watermark. And here you can see that there are certain built-in templates from which you can choose. um, from starting from the first one, if I click it, it will enter the confidential as a watermark in my document. And similarly, I can choose among the others such as do not copy and a draft, and simply I can also select a sample as well. So this is how easy it is to enter a watermark in your Word document. And in case if you're wondering that if you want to add your own watermark instead of using the default watermark which are built in the Microsoft Word, well, you can also do that as well. All you need to do is just go to custom watermark, and here you select the test watermark and you write in your own text, such as my channel name is Global Emag. So I will enter my channel name and I can change the font, and similarly I can also change the size of the watermark as well, and similarly you have the color option as well. You can select whichever color you want to and just hit the apply icon, and as you can see that the watermark is inserted but the color does not fit in, so I will change the color to light gray so that it become more visible. And here you can see that the watermark is inserted in my Word document, and this is how easy it is to insert the watermark of your own choice in any document that you want. And this is not just entering the watermark in the form of text. You can also have the option of choosing a picture as well. So if you want to enter a picture as a watermark in your Word document, you just hit the custom watermark option, and from here you select the picture and click the select picture, and from here you can browse from the pictures that you want to. Let's say I want to go with the picture that I downloaded earlier, and here it is asking me about the scale. I would say that fit in like 200% and click apply. As you can see that the picture is inserted in the background and it is appearing as a watermark in my document. So in case if you're using the picture, you also have the option to wash out as well so that it becomes dimmer and become your text become more visible. So you just check the washout option from here, hit apply, as you can see that the option of the watermark has become quite less visible, but it is still over there, and just click apply, OK, and close. So this is how you can insert a picture watermark in your document as well. And last but not the least, if you're wondering that in case if you have completed your report, or if you just want anyone to copy your document, or if you do not want to have the watermark in your Word document, so how to remove it? Well, it is again as easy as it was inserted in the watermark. You just need to go to the design option and here select the watermark, and from the watermark you select remove watermark, and as you can see that the watermark is removed. This is how easy it is to insert and remove the watermark. And to say the least, if you insert the watermark in one page, it is going to keep on duplicating that watermark on the other pages as well. To move to the next page, the easy command is Control Enter. As you can see that the new page has been inserted and it already has a watermark in it. So this is how easy it is to use insert watermark, insert text watermark, insert picture watermark, and the remove watermark from your Word document. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, then come to our channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification icon, and like the video, share your feedback with us, and we will be sharing more interesting videos related to technology. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.